Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another 420 video today. We're about to go deep in the creek on the rancher. It's been a minute since I rode the 420, but we're finally back on it. We're about to head to the creek. Cause I ain't been in what feels like forever. I always say I need to tighten those bolts and then forget. I'm probably gonna do it today though. Cause I'm tired of hearing it rattle. Paved the road, I can see. Well, from what I can tell. Yeah, they definitely paved it. I don't know how I just noticed that. I probably should hurry up and ride because it looks like it's about to rain. Like, hurry up and get to the creek. This still looks pretty bad. It looks dry now, but it's still probably thick. But yeah, kinda. It's gotta get a little bit more water in it, and it'll be thick again. Give it about after this week of rain, and by the end of after this week of rain, keep hitting it while it's rain. While there's water in it, when it dries up, it'll be nothing but clay. Just a little bit of clay and water mix, if we can get down to the clay. The clay's mostly on the sidewall, so I probably should hit it a little when I'm in there. I make some fall in there. I ain't rode back here in a minute. Oh, there's still water over there. We'll ride in it in a second. Look at the pollen on top of the water. I hate pollen. It's so aggravating. How deep is this? Yeah, it ain't bad. This is the type of stuff I could ride in before I had a snorkel. Like right here. I was trying to spin the tires on that, but it didn't really spin. Dang it, I kind of forgot. Every time I go over here, I have to reverse if I want to make it down the creek, but I will. I'm going to try and make it this time without having to reverse. It looks like there's sticks in the water now. Yeah, there is definitely a stick. Like a root or something. It's real shallow right here. Just a little bit shallower than over there. So that means over here, after this little deep spot, it'll be shallow. Probably really shallow. I knew it would be wrecks right here. We're in some type of rut right here, or a log. Yeah, it's low over here. I bet you I can still water wheelie in it though. Yeah, there's a bunch of clay on the bottom over here. For those of y'all that haven't been watching that long, because I feel like I haven't talked about that in a while, but over the summer you can really tell as the creek gets lower, it gets way thicker, and back here there will be a lot of it. And if it gets low enough where we can see the bottom over there and down here, y'all notice that a lot of this is clay. I wonder how much shallower it's gotten and how far we can back up today, or if it's gotten deeper. Hopefully we can get handlebars deep today, because I really need to rinse everything off from pollen dropping. I don't think I'm gonna be able to back it up much farther. When I put it in gear, it might and go lower. Yeah, because it just focused in the rut more. It dropped in the rut more. Whatever the word is, I said focused. Because there's ruts right here. It ain't just flat bottom. From backing in here, it's like a little track. Well, no, there might not be ruts. I don't know. It could be a flat bottom, but I think it is. How it starts spinning back there and gets like, it won't back up no more. There's probably ruts. What I said, a log. Something just threw me off balance right there, and that kind of scared me. I thought we were going sideways. I'm gonna just cruise through right here. We're spinning. I ain't gonna hit the gas hard because I want to see if we can crawl through it. It's like a little hill right here, or a little rut, and that's why I ain't crawling through it good. Never mind, it is fine. Deuce knows where we going. at the sand wall right there from where we rutted it out. I'm only gonna put one tire in the rut, I reckon. I ain't going both tires. I just want to see how deep it is. Oh yeah, it's definitely deep. Front tire off the ground. I'm gonna get it back on it. Look how thick that is. It ain't real thick, it's just soft, but it's kind of thick. I want to look at the axle on each side. All right, it's out the ruts now, but the ruts are right here. Are they just solid now? Oh, never mind. All right, yeah, it's still pretty deep and wide. Ooh. And now I'm about stuck. Compared to this wall right here, it definitely drops. Dried up. That's kind of depressing. Oh, we're low on gas. I reckon that makes it time to head back to the house. I'll put some gas in her. We're gonna take a little shortcut. Alright, watch out, Deuce. Come on, let up. Come on. Deuce, here. Come on, I ain't got time for this. Come on. Deuce! Come on. Let up. Let up. Let up. Hey, let up. Come on. Here, let up. Let up. Come on. Let up. There we go. Well, y'all, peace out. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, I'll see y'all in the next video. Leave a like and sub.